Let me record the session. Let me record.
Yeah.
Then,
Could you please take 1 minute? 1 minute.
yeah,
Thank you.
no problem.
Yeah, actually, my daughter has dance class. I asked her to get ready for that.
You have daughter or son? I forgot. You have a daughter or son?
Daughter,
Daughter. Okay, okay.
daughter.
I
My
I
my
remember
daughter.
son
Yeah.
actually. I
Tatu.
remember son.
Her, no, Yukta. Her name is Yukta.
Yukta.
She's
Good.
learning Bharatanatyam.
Wow.
Mm.
UK also you are teaching Bharatanatyam.
Mm. Yeah, we have one Tamil teacher and she's teaching.
Okay, 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 okay. How long she is going? She is going from how long?
Uh,
How many years?
Bharatanatyam.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Already 6 years. She's 12 years. She started at 6. Yeah,
Six years.
and we are going. Actually, we are coming to India next month, July,
Okay.
and her Arangetam should be in Guruvayur at Guruvayur temple next month.
Wow. Next month you are coming to India? Hello.
Yeah,
Okay. Looks like internet
here
is.
they have summer vacation next month. Yeah, internet is really slow. I'm getting gap. That's fine. I can hear you, but
Yeah, yeah. I opened my door. My
maybe it's my.
don't know what is the problem.
Yeah, next month. Yeah, once it's class finished, next after class, one I will learn after once I come back from India. Next,
Okay, okay, okay. And when you are coming to India? In July?
July 15th.
Okay. Maybe we have one more month. We will learn a lot in the playwright.
Yeah, but here
Before
school
that.
summer vacation started.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, let's start the date function. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. I hope you are able to see, right?
yeah,
Okay. So date,
yeah,
while you are working on Playwright or anything like JavaScript or any time, we need the date. Date is most important. We need, right? We need the date and the
yeah,
time, the current time
yeah,
now, and all these things we need to know. So for that, just I'm writing, let today is equal to,
yeah,
let today is equal to
yeah,
new
yeah,
date,
yeah,
new date. Okay. So this is the date.
yeah,
Yeah, one date is a
yeah.
constructor. So with this one class or constructor, whatever you call. So with this, you can get the today's date. So it means date or now also. You have a let
Yes.
let n is equal to,
Like, is it get date today's date? But in SQL we are using get date. Is it same?
we'll see what it is giving. We will see that. Okay. What it is giving, we will see.
Yeah,
Now this is the today. Today, let
yeah.
console dot. Okay, let me record the session also. Oh, it is already recorded. Okay, it's already started.
Yeah,
Okay,
not record. A recording. I don't know,
started. See, if I click
but
here,
it's fine. Yeah.
pause record only, stop
Okay.
record.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Yeah.
console dot, what do you want? Log, console dot log of today. So this is one variable only.
Today.
Whatever you want, you can give here. It's not a key.
Yeah.
It's not a keyword. We are not using
Yeah.
that. Sorry, just want to comment this. I want to comment these things. These are all done. Now I'm going with the today. What is that today? What it is giving today? It's not fine.
Oh, no, the date is not coming. Something wrong. Oh, there is extra line.
The line, but it should give the last also. What is happening? Let's see. See, what is came? This is what came.
To the correct date, time.
This is the date came, like 2026,
Yeah.
June 13th, 7:53. Your UK time is coming up. No, no. It is, I think,
Yeah. No,
UTS. I think what you call? What you call? U?
UTS, the global,
Yeah,
UTS
global
global.
time.
Yeah,
That time is coming here. Okay.
got it.
If you want, we can
Yeah.
convert on a lot of things we can do. But what is coming,
Yeah.
just I shown here. Okay. So
To
like
Indian time, yeah. Just, yeah. Which time? Yeah.
which time and all. Now you can, if you want, another methods also there. Get full year, for example. Get full year also one method is there, and get month also there. Lot of methods are there. So I will take one example here. So here, this is the today, right? Today dot
Yeah.
today dot get date. Today dot get date. Today
Same,
dot get date.
same,
Today dot get date.
same as
Today dot
get
get
date.
full year. Got it? Today dot
Yeah.
get horse. Like this, you have many methods already inbuilt. Milliseconds, minutes, month,
Yeah.
if you want. Got it? So let me show some example
Yeah.
for you. So yeah, get UTC date, get UTC day to get time. Get time also you
Yeah.
have. Okay, let's do something
Yeah.
console.log. 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 See, all together, if I write now, you will easily understand, right? What it is doing and all. That's why I written.
Yeah.
Okay. See what it is giving like this function, function, function. Why it is giving like that? Because this is a method. As this is a method, you have to use curly bracket. Sorry, you have to use the bracket. You have to use the bracket. What it?
Curly bracket. You didn't use curly bracket. Yeah.
Not a curly
Yeah.
bracket. It is something like a what you can call bracket something. Curly means curly. Curly hair kind of thing. Curly bracket means this one.
Yeah.
The curly. Got it? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, everything came. Now, today. What is the today? This entire date, time, and milliseconds.
And
Within that
date,
time,
time,
milliseconds.
seconds,
Yes.
minutes. Yeah.
Now, each one, for
Yeah.
example, sometimes
Day.
which day? Today is 13th. Okay, 13th. And today is which day?
Mm.
Which is get date. Okay, get date
Six.
is the 13th. Get full year. Full year is 2020.
Yeah.
But what is 6? This is a month. From where this came? These are not came in order. Okay, get time. This is the time.
Fully.
Before that, this is the 5. What is
Yeah.
2026?
Get our.
Okay, you try to explore these things, what it is giving and all. He
Yeah, sure. I will.
and all, everything you try.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
one more thing is
Yeah. I understand. Yeah, I clearly understood the methods.
exactly.
Mm.
Exactly, all these methods, and you can do a set also. Set methods also there, but I'm not going to tell now. And if you want to do a format, so that is
Yeah.
important. Okay, the format, if you want to do 2 times string, okay, the format I will tell you. Okay, this format I will tell you. Today dot okay, time string, time string, date string, string. Like this also you can do. For example, console dot log of this. If I'm writing, just commenting this.
Yeah.
So it is coming like, okay, sorry. See, like this it is came. When you do 2 time string, you got the time. What you got? You got the time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
actually, if you do a just date means it is giving the UTS time. But if you when you are used to the
Yeah.
time string, it is trying to identify in which zone you are, and that zone related exact time it is displayed here. Got it? Now it is the 13:20
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
me. 13:29
Yeah.
GMT plus 5:30. So if you know this, while
Yeah.
you are working with automation, sometimes you need to fetch the data, you need to get the some time and some time zones also you need to change. Everything you can understand. Otherwise, you will get confused. If some code is there, okay, how they are doing, what is this and all. Right? That's what I'm just telling. Introducing all these things.
Yeah.
Telling much also. I'm just introducing.
Yeah.
Okay. And date calculations
Yeah.
also you can do sometimes. So subtract dates and difference between two dates
Yeah.
also you can do. Differences also you can do lot of things you
Yeah.
can do there. Okay. Now let's stop this about this date and all. You got it? Somewhat you are good now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now with this 1 hour over, next start with another file. We can create another file with functions. Functions.js. Functions.js. Okay. Do you know the what is a function? You remember in the Python we discussed.
Recalling a value we can add, we can do through that functions.
Okay. Functions means it is a reusable block of code. It's a reusable block
Yeah.
of code. For example,
Block of code.
if you want to add some two numbers, if you want to add some
Yeah.
numbers, for example, the number A, number B is there. So, for example, A is there. Okay.
Yeah.
A is equal to some
Yeah.
45 is there, and B is equal to some 56 is there. And then C sum is equal sum of
Yeah.
numbers. Sum of
A plus B.
two numbers is equal to what is that? A plus B. Sum of sorry.
A plus B.
A plus B. Sum of two numbers is equal to A plus B. So this is the some code block. This is some code block. Console dot
Yeah.
log console.log sum of two numbers. This is not without function. I'm just writing without function how it is. Then we will convert this to the function. Now if you see how much it is there, the console.log is equal to
Function.
101.
101.
For example, if you want
Yeah.
to change the values, if you want to change the values, again you have to come here and you have to change. For example, I want 20. You have to come here. Again, you want to change to 5.
Yes.
Again, you have to come here. So it is like a code wise you need to change. So
Yeah.
this is not the
Yeah.
correct way to do anything, right? This is the
Yes.
reusable. If you see, this is reusable one. If you just change the value,
Yes.
this is always reusable, right? So that is why
No.
what we can do is we can go with a
Yeah.
function. So function will be start with a function keyword. function keyword, and you have to give the name of the function. What is the name of the function? I will give sum of two numbers. I will give, this is the name of the function. Sum of two numbers. Sum two numbers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sum of numbers. Anything you can give, right? Sum of numbers. And what are all values? Okay.
Yeah.
Now you are doing like this. For example, now if you see sum of numbers means in these brackets, nothing we are not giving. For example, here I can give a comma b if you are giving.
Yes.
These are the two are called the
Yeah. X comma Y.
parameters. These two are called
Number.
parameters. These are the
Number.
parameters. No,
Yeah.
I'm saying a comma
Yeah.
b is the parameter for this function. A
X.
comma b is the parameter for this function. Is it a number?
Yes.
Is it a string? And all at this moment we don't know.
Yeah.
Leave it. Now what you want to do in this function? You want to
Yeah.
add these numbers, right? Add these two numbers, right? Add
Plus. Yeah.
numbers.
Yeah.
Add numbers is equal to what is the
Yeah.
logic for that? A comma b. A comma b. If you are doing. So this is called a function.
Yeah.
In this function,
Yeah.
you are doing the logic, you put it into the in between the curly brackets. So this is the function. But what is the use of this? How can you call this function? So calling the function,
Yeah.
just you can
From terminal.
name of that function.
Sum of numbers.
Yeah, that is the name of the function. That's called the name of the function. And then
Sum of number.
yeah. Then you have to, if you like put a mouse or cursor here, when you put a bracket, it is showing that sum of numbers. A is any, B is any,
Yeah.
and void. What does it mean? Void means, do you know? Void means it don't return any value. Void means it don't return any value.
Okay.
Okay, and in brackets, what it is saying,
Yeah.
A is any, B is any. So A you can give anything, like string you can give, number you can give, or you can give any object also you can give, because we are not declared what kind of data type it is here. What kind of data type it is here. But
Yeah.
what will happen if you give,
Yeah.
our purpose is to do the addition of two numbers. No? So I can give 45 comma 23. I can give 45 comma 23. Now, if I am running this,
Yeah.
what will happen? What will happen? If you see go down, nothing you can see.
It will. It will.
You can see only this one. 20.
Yeah.
I will just comment this. I'll just comment this. Now, if I run that again,
Yeah.
are you see now? Okay, have you seen anything? Nothing output.
Nothing.
Why
No.
output is not there?
Yeah.
Why? Why out?
It's not printing anything.
Why it is not
No, we
printing?
are not calling console. Console.log sum of
Console.log
numbers.
we are not written here, right? For example, here,
Yeah.
if I'm writing console.log, what do you want to log? Add numbers.
Add number.
Add numbers. See, 68 it is printed. 68 it is printed. So this is to
Yeah. How we can give this A and B through? How we can give this A and B through the terminal?
no terminal. We are not given the function like that.
Here
Terminal.
still we are here still we are giving. Can we call this?
You can give from the
Here still
terminal
giving their
also.
numbers, isn't
No,
it?
no, you can
If I
give.
wanted to use this program, I can call from other file also. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, other file also you can use this. What is the problem? See, whatever the
No.
value you want,
If
you
it
can
is the
pass here.
day one also, I can call this one sum of numbers.
Yeah, continue
Can I
your
call
question.
from other JS file from this?
Can I call from
Now, can I call this sum of number function from other JS file also?
other JS file also you can call. For that,
Like day one.
that one I will show you in the Monday session. So that is like you have to import this functions.js. You have to import this functions.js. This is the file. For example, you have another file, this string
Okay.
methods. In this, if you want to call means,
Yeah.
you have to import
Yeah.
this. you have to import this file. Once you import that, this method and that file, you have to mention like import, okay, import sum of numbers from functions.js. If you are writing like that in that method, in that new file, so you can call this. You can call this also. That and all I will show in the next sessions also. While we are doing the Playwright itself, I can explain all those things. First, this is like basic in the same file. How can you read it?
Okay.
Okay. You will get confused if I'm doing that. That's why I'm not using that. So now if I give it this 45 and 23, right? Now, what I'm going to give here, I give any marks. Can I give? Can I give like this? Hello?
Not sure.
Not sure?
Because it's a plus sign.
It's a plus sign, but wherever we are defining a function, okay, what we are mentioned, we are not mentioned A is should be the integer or B should be the integer.
That should be anything.
That should be anything. That should be anything. That's why I can pass the marks also.
That should be that will not. Yeah.
If I'm running, what is going to happen? It's not defined. See, marks is not defined. It is game. Marks is not defined. It is game. But you can define that. You can define because it is not. For example, if you mention this is like a integer. Like this, you have to mention. So this, if we are not mentioned anything here, integer or something, okay, we will see this later. But like that, we can pass anything, but it will not work. It will not work because our purpose of this is to add two numbers. If you want to add two numbers, you have to pass the always number. But why I'm telling this? Okay, let it close this, and I will go with the another example. Another function. Another function is function greetings. Function greetings. Function greetings. For this function, do we have any variables here, any parameters here? Did we pass any parameters here? We don't have any parameters here. I can just write console.log good morning. Console.log good morning. So this is another type of function. This is another type of function. In this function, we are not passing any arguments or any parameters. We are not passing any parameters. So this kind of function is without arguments, function without arguments. So how can you call this function? Greetings. Just you can write greetings also, it will work. But let me comment this. Let me comment this. My mouse is very slow today. Exited. Is it ran? Exited. See, what is this function?
Because we are adding number first.
Yeah, what is this function? This is the function to, you forgot the above function. I'm right. I'm working on this function. I'm talking about this below function. See, good morning came. So this is the function. This is the function. This is the function we are calling. If I am calling without bracket, what is happening? If I am calling without bracket, it is not working. If you are calling without bracket, it will take it as a property. It's not a method. If you observe, when we are learning the methods, when we are learning the string methods and the array methods and number methods, if you are giving a bracket, for example, if it is a function or method, you have to give the bracket, this bracket, then only it will work. Okay, now if you see for this function greetings, in this greetings when you call, this is calling, this function is calling, and what is printing? Console.log is good morning, right? That good morning is printing. So it means what I want to say here, this is with the variable, with the parameters. This is without parameters also you can do something. Without parameters also you can do. Got it? Now one more thing, there is a return value, return type. A return type. Function with return type. Function with return. What do you mean by return? This sometimes you will get confused. That's why I'm just explaining separately. Okay. For example, function. Okay. Tell me some example are always not
Yeah.
or something. I want to do something else. Concat. Okay. Concat strings. Something. Concat strings. I'm trying to do. This is also function. If you want to pass any string, both strings, 2 strings or 3 strings or 4 strings, it should get concatenate.
Yeah.
Simple. The string str1,
Yeah.
str1, comma, str2, comma. Okay,
Yeah.
just 2 is at this enough. Now, for example, if you want to concat, you remember, we learned some concatenation also for the strings. Do you remember? What is that? Concated string is
Yeah.
equal to str1
Concatenate.
dot
Console.log concatenate strings and concatenate str2.
no concat we learned right in the strings. How can you concat? Okay, there is a plus also we can do actually. str2.
Yeah. str1 dot
Yes,
concatenate.
but that
Yeah.
is it working?
Yeah.
str1 dot concatenate concated strings. Concat strings. Concat.
Concatenate str2. str2. Normally we write bracket str2. Last time method we wrote
Got it?
str1 bracket
Yes.
str2.
This way also we can do, this way also we can do. Actually, both ways
Mm.
we can do. But let me show this itself now. I'll just comment
Yeah.
this. Okay. Now, now return. Return. What do you want to return? You want to return the concat string. You want to return the concat string. So whatever you are concatenated in this function, you want to return. So how can you call this method? Function. How can you call? This
Yeah.
is the function. If you are doing, will it work?
Concatenate string.
Will it work now?
I
Will
think
it
so.
work now?
I think so.
You think so? What is wrong in this?
Yeah.
What is wrong in this? Tell me.
The return concat. It's not printing. Is it because of that?
Yes. For example, here there is a two values. Are we passing the arguments? Are we passing the arguments? Shiva, got it?
No.
And Prasad. Shiva and Prasad.
Yeah.
Okay, let's run. Let's run this.
Yeah.
Okay, now I ran it. It is
Still
executed
not.
properly. There is no error. But Shiva Prasad should come. You are expecting the Shiva
Yeah.
Prasad. But why it is not printed here? Why it is not printed? We are
Yeah.
written the
It's not
console.log.
printing. Console log not.
Also console.log we are not printed in this method.
Yeah.
But that is what I am not going to explain to you. Now I wanted to
Yeah.
explain about the return value. I want to explain with the return value. So return means if you see
Yeah.
the function it is executed and it is returned some value. What is the Shiva Prasad? And it will store it into one variable. It will store into some variable. S is equal to
Mm.
so now whatever you are concatenated, so that value will be written. That should get written. So that return means it will return some value. For example, your son,
Yeah.
your daughter went to the shop and you given the money, right? So she came with some pen. She came with some pen, right? She's not came empty.
Yeah.
So that pen means you have to that pen she can
Yeah.
keep it in one purse or she can keep it on the table, something like that, right? So like that. Here, this is the some value, it is concatenated. That value we are storing into some variable s. Now that one,
Yeah.
console.log. Now that one, If you do, you will get the Shiva Prasad here. See, Shiva Prasad came. Got it? So it means with here console.log, what you are console.log?
Got it. Yeah.
So whatever is written value, you are doing a console.log. For example, I can do console.log here also. I can do console.log. Console.log. What do you want to console log? So this is, it will not return the value. It will just console the log. I will stop this. I will stop this return value. Now you see what is going to happen.
Yeah.
You get few things. You will understand few things here.
Yeah.
See, first, this is the console.log is printing this Shiva Prasad. And then next, this is S. So whenever you are calling this, it will, if it is a written, if there is a written value, it will store into S. But we are not returning that value. If we return only, it will come here. As not returning that value, this is undefined. That is why you got the undefined. This is why it is undefined. For example, see, for example, if you are writing a function and you are doing some calculation or whatever it is, and you want to use it in some other place, that value you have to return always. That output you want to use it, you need an return. Hello? Amrita?
Yes.
Hello. You want to return.
Got it. Completely
if you want
got
to use it somewhere else, you have to make it as a return. But if you just console.print it, you cannot reuse that.
Return. If you are not.
It cannot reuse that place. Okay.
Yes.
That will be just you hold it and left it. That's it. So you have to hold it into some variable means you need to do a return. Okay. Now I uncommented this. Now uncommented this. Are you there? Hello?
Yeah. Now you can.
Yeah. Now what are you going to?
It is returning value. It's printing 2 times. It will print.
2 times.
It will print 2
Shiva
times.
Prasad.
Shiva Prasad.
Right? Okay. Now I want to explain one more thing. This console.log, I want to write after the return. After the return, I want to write the console.log. What should happen? I mean, what's your guess? Tell me. Just guess it. What will happen?
It's undefined. It should be undefined.
Which is undefined?
No, it should print Shiva Prasad 3 times.
3 times.
No, it will print 3 times because it calling concatenated string.
So how
it will print.
Say 3 times? How you can say 3 times? Can you tell me? Which line? Can you elaborate? Which line is print?
Because it's returning now concatenation value is in the data type concatenated string, and we are printing concatenated string.
Okay,
so it should be concatenated string, isn't it?
This never print. This never directly. It will not print anything. It is just storing the value into variable only. It is just storing the value into variable only. It will not print. Whenever you do console.log, then only you will print. You know that, right?
Okay.
Okay, now tell me how many times it will print?
Yeah.
How many times it will print?
Concatenation and return. 2 times. 2 times. When it returned concatenated string, then we are calling concatenated string again.
Okay, we will run and show you. I will run and show you what is going to happen.
Yeah.
See how many times it is. Yeah. How many times it is printed? How many times it is printed? How many times it is printed? Are you there?
1 time only. 1 time only.
So that print is, this print is came from here, 34, the line 34. This print is came from line 34, but this print is not happened. This print is not happened because it is very angry on you. It is very angry on you. That is why it is not printed. Why it is angry, you know? Why it is angry, you know? You already used a return. After return, you are trying to print it. It won't print anything if you are written value. After writing whatever the code you written, it will not work. After return, whatever the code you write, it will not work. You understand? After return, whatever the code you write, it will not work.
It will not work.
So that's why always
Got it.
return should be at the end. Always return should be at the.
But if you print console uh,
So execution will happen
at the
only this.
end,
It will not
got
read
it.
any lines after
Yeah,
the
got
return.
it.
After the return, it will not read any value also.
Yeah,
It won't read. That's it. It is stopped. It is locked. It is
yeah,
locked. So it won't read anything. You got it?
okay,
So that is what you need to understand now. So always return should be the at the
okay,
end.
yeah, got it.
Always return should be at the end. After the return, whatever the code is there,
End of the
it will not.
problem.
It,
End of the problem.
it will not execute after that. Okay. So now like this.
The- But
Now
we can start different. But this is for concatenate string. But can we return different? Can we start different thing uh, no, not for this one. Okay, got it.
tell me your example. Let's discuss. Tell me what you want to tell.
No, I got it. Now this is the we are only passing two parameter. No, we are passing two parameter only, one function only. Then it's fine. Got it.
Yeah, if you want to
That's a
pass,
wrong, foolish question I'm
yeah,
going to
no
ask.
problem. It is foolish also. If you are clear,
Because we
it's
passed
fine.
value from the outside of that concate string.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, now if you want to pass, if you
Got it.
want
I
to
got
pass
it.
the three variables, for example, parameters, also you can do that. Like that, you can do many parameters.
Yeah.
Always
Yeah.
think that
Yeah.
only two parameters. There is no limit
Yeah.
to pass, but you have to declare here.
Yeah.
For example, if you declare, it will expect here also that.
Yeah.
It will expect here also that. That is what
Yeah.
function with parameters.
Yeah.
And
And we can't use half parameter for one function. We can't use one function half parameter for add, half parameter for it's not possible, isn't it?
a half parameter means
Like concatenate string one. No, that's a foolish question, actually. For string one, two, three, two, three, and three concatenated, and three just print. It's not possible, isn't it?
see if you write like
Once
this,
it's written.
string 3 is written, string 3 is written, but
Yeah.
you're not using in the function.
Yeah.
That's it.
It should be declared here.
No. What I'm saying,
Yeah.
you are
Got
defined here. I mean,
it.
you are
And the
declared
string
here.
three, we can't pass it and just print it. It's not possible, isn't it?
You can pass here.
Got it.
You can pass here. You can pass here. Because string 3, you can pass. See, string 1, string 2,
Yeah,
string
I got it. Yeah, that I
string 3, we are
yeah, but
given.
we are using we are using concatenate string. Yeah,
We are concatenating only two
got
strings.
it.
So you will get only Shiva Prasad. So India will not come.
Yeah,
You will get only Shiva Prasad
yeah,
because this string, for
yeah,
example, you brought
yeah.
lot of things from the Costco or what you have Tesla. What is that? In US, which shop you will do the
Tesco,
Tesco, right? Yeah, I remember.
Tesco.
I used to go to the
Yeah,
Tesco. Okay, Tesco, you go and you brought the three items. You brought the three items and you kept it into your home. But you are using only two items. The third item you are not
yeah,
using maybe. Like that, you can
yeah,
pass three values as the arguments, but in this method, you are not using the third item. But it is not wrong. It's not wrong. But no need to do that way. So real time, you no need if whatever the parameters you need, only those two only you can while creating the function you can add.
yeah,
Right? For example, if you want to do this, again you can concatenate with S3, str3 also. Something like that. Okay. Okay, now this is the
yeah, yeah. Got it.
okay, this is one type of okay function. What you understand? How can you write a function? Function after function key.
Functions with the return, with the
Function keyword and the name,
functions with the
and
return.
this is yeah, and this is the with parameters and
Yeah,
without parameters and with return and without return, everything you learned it, right? With return and without
yeah,
return also. Okay, now I want to explain
yeah,
function as an expression. Function as an expression.